Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my November Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, these videos are coming back regularly, so stay tuned for next month's video because I'm probably most excited about that one since it's going to be the December Luxie box. But anyways, for this month's video, again, it's going to be my November Boxycharm unboxing. So if you are interested in seeing what this month's box looks like, then just keep watching. Alright, so you guys know the drill. You open the box, you immediately have a card in it that tells you all the pricings, all the products that are included in this month's box, and they tell you what it's worth and all of the good, that good information that we all like to see. So the first thing when you open the box, it's so many goodies in here. So the first thing I see when I open the box is this Lashaholic luxury lashes. I've actually never heard of this brand, but this packaging is super cute. It's like, it has like all these glitters around it. It's just super cute packaging. Absolutely love it. I love that I have autofocus now, you guys, because I can show you guys this and then come back to the video. Anyways, these, I don't typically use lashes on a regular. I mostly only use them when I'm like going out, like to a special dinner or maybe like during the holidays, things like that. But on a regular basis, I pretty much never put on any false lashes. My lashes are pretty long as it is, so adding mascara on a day-to-day basis is pretty much gives me my nice voluminous lashes that I need. So I don't have to apply lashes all the time. But like I said, I do like to use them for special occasions. So this is something I will definitely use probably for my upcoming birthday. I might do a birthday get ready with me. So actually, I will be doing a birthday get ready with me. So I will feature these lashes in that video and see how they work. But I love the inside. Look at the details. Look how pretty this is. So pretty. And then I love this little packaging on the inside. This is just such a pretty package. And this is, like I said, Lashaholic lashes. Insta Glam false eyelashes. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These are 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers. Gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length and volume. So this retails for $14.99, which is not bad at all actually for lashes. I pretty much always use, if I do use lashes, I always use the Ardell Wispies, and those pretty much run about $10 for like a pack of 3 or something like that. So that's not too bad for, I mean, a pack of 1, it's still a little pricey, but they're vegan and they seem like they're really good quality, so it's not bad for the price. So the next product in this box is the Jante Blue. I never pronounce this right, and I feel like they always give us products from this brand and I can never pronounce the name, but it's the Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This is long-lasting, intense black color. Update your eyes. That's pretty. The packaging is, they have like a theme of black and gold going on in this box, but this is just really pretty packaging. I'm really liking it. So let's see if I can get this open. Okay, so I was able to get all the packaging off. It was actually quite hard, but like I said, they have this whole black and gold theme going on and it's really cute, but it's just a plain black eyeliner, which I appreciate. I feel like I could never have enough black eyeliner, but the cool thing about this is that it actually has black, gold glitters in it, so this is really pretty. I like this. I'll definitely be using this for the holidays, maybe even for my birthday, who knows. So this Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner retails for $5, so that's not too bad. It's not something that I would probably use all the time, but definitely for like special occasions, birthday, now with the holidays, it's something that might look really pretty with your makeup, so I'm really excited about that. And then the next thing in this box that I see is the Luxie 4 brushes. These are premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. Again, same gold glitter theme that they have going on. And I believe this brand, Luxie, I believe is by Boxycharm because they created their whole Luxie line. So let me see if I can get this open. These are really cute, tiny little gold glittery brushes like for your eyes. These are perfect for like, this would be perfect as like a pencil brush to kind of like line your bottom lash line. This is another good brush maybe for like your inner tear duct. These are really good brushes. I like these. I actually don't have brushes that are this size, so it's nice to have some variety in my collection. And let me tell you guys, because I have tons and tons and tons of brushes, so not that like it's not like I need it anymore, but I always love getting brushes in my Boxycharm boxes. So these are Luminous Eye Set. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. The Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. The Luxie 141 Mini Round brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line. I knew it. I knew that would be perfect for that. While the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxie 11 Mini Flat Angle brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid, and the Luxie 131 Mini Angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color onto your crease. So now I'm wondering if Luxie is a separate brand or if they are the Luxie brand that's within Boxycharm. Now I have to research that because I'm not sure. But this retails for $21, so I'm really excited about this. Like I said, these are really cute brushes. I love the glitter. I don't have any brushes nearly that look like this, so really excited about that. And then the next product in this box is the Cover FX glitter drops. I've seen this all over Instagram, so I already knew that they were going to include this in this month's box. And I also had a friend tell me that she got a glitter for her Boxycharm and she used it and she sparkled like crazy. We went out to dinner this past weekend and she was glowing. Like, she had all this glitter all over her arms, and she warned me that a little bit of this goes a very, very long way. So I'm really excited about this. Again, gold glitter. I will definitely use this for my birthday. I'm thinking of what I'm gonna be. I know I already have dinner planned, so I still have to pick out an outfit for my birthday, and I need to have a look picked out for my birthday. So I'm thinking this is kind of leaning me towards the gold theme, so I'm probably gonna use this definitely for my birthday. So you guys might see all of this being featured. But yeah, these are the gold drops, glitter drops by Cover FX. I was really excited about this because I don't have anything like this, and this is in glitter drops in Nova. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So this retails for $44. Like, this alone pays off your box almost twice, which is insane. So actually, no, it pays off your box twice. So this is really cool that they included this, and Cover FX is an amazing brand, and I always love everything that they give us. So really love that. The next product that's in this box, and that's actually the last product in this box, is this little bubble wrapped palette, and this is the Ace Beauty, I'm gonna butcher this, Grandiose palette. I think that's how you pronounce it. But again, black and gold theme, so cute. I've actually already seen this also on Instagram because, you know, you scroll by their page and it's like you can't help it but see everything that they post. But look how cute this packaging is. I love all of this detailing, and these colors are pretty nice. These are perfect for fall. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, look at this color, you guys. This color right here is so pretty. And I actually just did my makeup with a color similar to this one, which you guys will see in my little get ready with me with my favorite fall look, so which is what I'm wearing today, hence why I'm in the same shirt, by the way. But yeah, so I'm really excited about this. This comes with 8 colors. These are really cute. Like, I love these colors. These are like my kind of colors because I love darker colors, and especially like neutral colors. I don't really do too much glammed up, like crazy out there looks, but I can definitely get some nice, like low-key but still glam looks with this. So I was really excited about this. This is a, like I said, from Ace Beauty, featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully miled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. This retails for $24.99. So That's pretty expensive for this little palette. So I wonder, let's see how pigmented it is. Oh my god. I just dabbed my finger lightly on Myrtle, which is this color here. Let me see. Yeah, this one right here. This is Myrtle, and look at this intensity, guys. Insane. I'm gonna do same thing with Rose. Oh my god, these are like butter. So nice. This is Rose on this finger. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. Okay, so a lot of these products are probably gonna be featured in my birthday video. Just giving you guys a heads up and a little bit of a sneak peek, because this is, oh my god, look at this color, Clove. This color here, Clove, that's this one here. You guys see that? That's Clove right here. Oh my god, these colors are gorgeous. Okay, now I'm curious about Jasmine. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, super pigmentation on these shadows, you guys. Love this. Can you guys see that? Look how beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'm really excited about this palette. I was honestly like, every time we get a palette in Boxycharm, I'm always skeptical, because some palettes that we have gotten have had so much fallout, some of them have not been very pigmented. They've had their bad shares of eyeshadows that they've included in Boxycharm, but this is by far probably one of the creamiest pigmented eyeshadow palettes that they've included in their box. So I'm super excited about this, like more than I was planning on being when I saw this. So yeah, I really like this. I actually really like everything that's in this month's box. I almost was on the fence about it, because I'm like, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of things that I'm probably not gonna use, but no, I definitely will be using a lot of these things, and they're probably gonna be featured in my next video. So really excited about this. Let's total all of this up to see how much it comes out to be. So the total for this month's box is worth $109.98. And like I always say, it is insane, because you're paying $22 for this monthly subscription, and you're getting way over the amount that you pay for. So it's definitely worth it. I love the subscription box. It is by far my hands down favorite subscription box I've ever had. You guys know, because I've had Boxycharm already for so many years, and it's just, I love the fact that you're getting 5 full-size products no matter what. It's always 5 full-size products. And even when they're travel size, like if they include a dry shampoo or something like that, it's still a decent size product. So I never have any complaints with them. So I absolutely love them. I will forever keep my subscription with them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified every single time that I post a video. And also like and share and do all that good stuff if you did enjoy this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow.